So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in local security policy. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand local policies, and then you want to click on security options. And now you want to scroll down until you see network access. And now you want to find do not allow anonymous enumeration of SAM accounts and shares. So it's the third one under network access. So you want to double click on this. Make sure you're on the right one. Do not allow anonymous enumeration of SAM accounts and shares. You want to make sure that this has been set to disabled and then click on OK. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in manage Windows credentials. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to make sure you have Windows credentials selected. And then if you already have a Windows credential right here, you just want to remove it. So you're going to click on the arrow and then it'll let you remove it. So now once you remove your Windows credential, you just want to add in a new one. And then click on OK. You also want to see if your antivirus is interfering. So if you have a really proactive antivirus that includes a firewall with built-in protection, see if it's blocking any potential ports or is perhaps interfering with the connection. You might want to set up an exception for that. Now once you complete all the steps in the video, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.